Okay, well here's the demo of the Nomura ZOOMER robot, Japan. You can see you got it walking, even on this rough surface. And got your light up high, on off switch. I ended up having to spot weld in 4 new tabs. The tabs here that was broke. This tab here was missing that holds the pack on. That tab up there. That tab snapped off and touched up the chrome parts so they weren't so crappy looking. Did a little dry brush on that chrome and the knob. And in order to get it walking, the rear ratchet wheels, I 3D printed new ones and then put rubber grommets on there for traction. The original ones, the rubber, was just so old and so hard that it was completely smooth and wouldn't grab on the surface. In fact, the only surface I could find that would grab on would be like typing paper or a piece of cardboard. For some reason it still had friction on that. But these should walk on all surfaces, and as you can see it was running quite well. So there you have it. Single C-cell operating this little guy. A very classic tin toy made in Japan by Nomura, and like I said before, they came in lots of different colors. What else can I say? I think that's probably about enough. We had a little gander around it here. It's a fairly clean example. Obviously, because the tabs were dropping off, it has been opened many times before, at least twice. Otherwise the tab should have stayed in place, but nothing's really bent or dinged up too much on them. It has a little ding right here. But other than that, considering its age, we'd start getting about 70 years old, that's in pretty good shape.